In the heart of the city, in a cozy home, lives a family connected by an invisible force, the magic of Wi-Fi. Today, we embark on an adventure to uncover the secrets of how this invisible force keeps us all connected. Meet our hero, the Wi-Fi router, also known as the access point. It stands tall, sending out radio waves, creating a magical web of connectivity. But how does it all begin? Our hero sends out invisible radio waves, covering the entire home. These waves travel through the air, ready to connect with any device that comes into their range. When a device like a laptop, smartphone, or tablet detects these radio waves, it eagerly connects to the Wi-Fi network. The router and the devices shake hands, establishing a secure connection. Once connected, a lively exchange of data begins. Information travels from the devices to the router and vice versa. This dance of data allows us to browse the web, stream videos, and stay in touch with loved ones. Our hero, the router, is connected to a powerful ally, the modem. The modem links our home to the vast world of the internet. Data from the internet flows through the modem to the router and then wirelessly to our devices. But our hero doesn't just connect, it also protects. With advanced security protocols like WPA3, our Wi-Fi network stays safe from intruders, ensuring our data remains private and secure. The magic of Wi-Fi brings us freedom and convenience. We can move around our home, staying connected without the need for pesky cables. It's the power of mobility at our fingertips. However, even magic has its limits. Wi-Fi signals can be affected by walls and interference from other devices. Staying within range of the router ensures the best performance. And so, in our cozy home, the Wi-Fi router continues its tireless work, keeping us all connected in a world where information flows freely. The magic of Wi-Fi, bringing us closer, one invisible wave at a time.